Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where power meets portability and performance matters. If you're someone who juggles high-demand devices on the go, whether it's for work, travel, or content creation, then meet your new essential, the Omni 40C Plus Professional Premium Portable Power Bank. This is no ordinary battery pack. With a massive 38 mAh/142 Wh capacity, the Omni 40C Plus is designed to power everything: laptops, tablets, phones, drones, cameras, even monitors, without breaking a sweat. Whether you're off-grid or just tired of carrying multiple chargers, this all-in-one beast is your portable command center. The highlight? A blazing fast 100W USB-C PD port, capable of fully charging a MacBook Pro or high-end Windows laptop in under 90 minutes. You also get USB-A QC 3.0 ports, plus a second USB-C port, so charging multiple devices simultaneously is effortless. What sets the Omni 40C Plus even further apart is its built-in HDMI port and SD card reader, perfect for photographers, videographers, and digital nomads who need an all-in-one media hub in their backpack. Want to edit footage or give a quick presentation directly from your gear? Done. The integrated OLED screen gives you real-time insight into charging speed, power draw, temperature, and estimated battery life. That kind of precision is rare and immensely useful, especially for professionals working in the field. It also supports pass-through charging, letting you power devices while the bank recharges. So whether you're in a hotel room, a car, or a tent, this device becomes your off-grid workstation. Despite its monster specs, the Omni 40C Plus remains travel-ready and TSA compliant, just under the airline limit at 142 Wh. And with an ultra-durable build and compact form factor, it's easy to throw in a tech bag and take anywhere. If you're serious about productivity, creation, or survival on the move, the Omni 40C Plus isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. One device, endless possibilities. Like this video if you're ready to level up your tech game, subscribe for more pro-grade gear reviews, and check the link in the description to grab yours today.